Frogs. Frog is amphibious. It is found in freshwater bodies like ditches, pools, ponds, lakes, slow-running streams, etc., and in moist grassy land near water bodies. They show following adaptations for amphibious mode of life. Skin is an important accessory organ of respiration, for which it is kept moist. Escape from their enemy by jumping in water. Fertilization and development takes place in water. Morphology. Body of frog is divisible into head and trunk. The neck and tail are absent. Skin is formed of two distinct layers, outer epidermis and inner dermis. It consists of connective tissue, cells and fibers, blood vessels and capillaries, nerve fibers and smooth muscle fibers. The triangular-shaped head is continued into the trunk portion. The anteriorly placed mouth is a wide transverse opening. Pair of external nares is present at a short distance above the mouth. Just behind the eyes on each side, pigmented tympanum is present. The eyes are protected by upper and lower eyelids. The trunk comprises anterior thorax and posterior abdomen. Pair of forelimbs and hindlimbs is appended to the trunk. Each forelimb consists of proximal upper arm and middle forearm, wrist and a hand bearing 4 fingers. The hindlimbs are much longer than the forelimbs and are much more powerful. Anatomy. The alimentary canal is distinguished into following parts: mouth and buccopharyngeal cavity. In frog, mouth is a wide slit like crescentic aperture at the tip of snout. It extends from the tympanum of one side to that of other side. In frog, buccal cavity and pharynx together form buccopharyngeal cavity. Pharynx. The posterior part of buccopharyngeal cavity represents pharynx. It is perforated by 2 apertures. The wide and folded aperture situated in the middle is the gullet. It opens into the oesophagus. Oesophagus. It is a broad and contractile tube. Due to the absence of neck, it is very short and passes into the stomach. Stomach. Situated on the left side in the body cavity. The stomach is the widest part of the alimentary canal, about 2 inches long. Alimentary canal. Intestine. Stomach opens into a long tubular intestine. It is divided into 3 parts: duodenum, small intestine or ileum, and large intestine or colon rectum. Duodenum. It is the anterior U-shaped part of intestine. It lies parallel to the stomach. Small intestine or ileum. It forms several loops which are held together by a fan-like dorsal mesentery. It is a thin-walled, convoluted tube about 8 to 10 inches long. Large intestine or colon rectum. It is short but comparatively wide tubes. Its inner surface is produced into longitudinal folds. It is also called rectum. Cloaca and cloacal aperture. The distal part of rectum is called cloaca or cloacal chamber. It receives openings of urinogenital ducts from kidneys and of urinary bladder.
For more such videos on all subjects, practice questions and a lot more, download iPrep and learn unlimited.